If you are a train lover, you have to find an opportunity to visit the California State Railroad Museum. It feels like a small theme park, offering countless photo opportunities. The museum looks like a normal office building from the outside, but it has massive space for various types of exhibits inside. I have visited several outdoor exhibits that feature trains in their old rusted condition. The collection in this museum, however, has been fully restored, with each train looking like a new piece of art. The best part, they also open up the cars, allowing us to step inside for a truly interactive experience. In some cars, they purposely dim the lighting and add sound effects to simulate the actual running train. It was really cool. This post office train is one of my favorites. One of the most impactful scenes here at the museum, at least for me, is the Transcontinental Railroad exhibit showing the final connection of the East and the West. The story goes back all the way to 1863. Two major railroad companies set out to build railroads together, one from the east and the other from the west. Eventually, they were meeting up in Utah to connect both sides of the United States. It was one of the most ambitious projects in US history. Now I'd like to showcase some of the museum's most impressive pieces in the collection. The museum isn't just about full-size trains, there's also entire sections dedicated to a massive collection of toy trains. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.